Shokon and the Kanatuan National High School. Daghan salamat for making time and being here to celebrate the 87th Araw ng Shokon Festival Competition or Festival Dance Competition. Ito na po, I'd also like to take this opportunity habang andito na po tayo. I would like to, invite all of you, in behalf of all our local government unit officials, our municipal officials, we would like to invite everybody for tonight's celebration. It's gonna happen here at the same venue. Diyan po sa gitna, manggagaling ang ating mga panauhin para po sa ating variety show tonight. Hindi pa, alam nyo, hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung mga artista na darating. Pero